Hello everyone, in this video we will show you how to install YouTube app on your Mac. First of all, the YouTube application is not available on the Mac App Store. But here, we will show you how to add the YouTube web app to macOS using the new Mac feature. It's a very simple process. So let's start. Open Safari on your Mac. Visit youtube.com. Choose the share icon. Top right, next to the plus sign. Click on Add to Dock. Here, you can review the name, website address, and logo. Finally, click Add. The YouTube app will now appear in the dock. You can open it by clicking the icon. Here you can see it's opening as an app. Once you have added the link to the dock, you can move it around and arrange it as you like. Hope this video helped you. For more videos, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.